Rice Lake Weighing carries digital models of physician scales for patient weighing needs. Digital scales are equipped with a 550-pound capacity, as well as motion trap movement compensation technology, which presents a steady and accurate weight reading, even when patients cannot remain completely still. The scale also features electronic medical record data transmission to external devices. Make sure the scale is placed on a flat, level surface. Do not place the scale on thick carpeting. The scale should not be placed beneath heating or cooling vents or in areas with environmental vibration. The scale should be oriented so the patient has clear access to enter and exit the weighing platform. Avoid touching the patient while the weight is being captured, as additional pressure on the scale will influence the weighment's accuracy. Front panel display keys include 0 and tare. 0 clears the weight displayed on the scales, returning it to 0, while tare is used to subtract the weight of additional items, such as IV bags or other equipment, from the scale to pinpoint only the weight of the patient. Proper care and cleaning of your scale is essential to ensure a long life of effective operation. A convenient integrated height rod can be extended to accommodate measurements up to 82 inches. To use the height rod, hold the latch located next to the indicator display and pull it up vertically. Raise the headpiece and snap it into place, then raise and lower the rod until the headpiece is level and touches the top of the patient's head. For individuals taller than 43 inches, record the height by referencing the measurement at the inner rod's read line. For individuals shorter than 43 inches, record the height by referencing the outer sleeve measurement below the read line. All Rice Lake and most other digital medical scales feature units of measure locking, which prevents the operator from unknowingly switching the scale between kilograms and pounds or vice versa. This essential safety feature helps prevent dosing errors due to incorrect units of measure. Rice Lake Weighing System sets a high standard in medical weighing equipment. The combination of efficiency, safety, and scale features with the added value of 70-plus years of weighing technology leadership makes the company the industry's leading choice. From hospitals to clinics and health clubs, any health or fitness environment can utilize Rice Lake's proven scale technology, all with legendary service and support.